Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your balance with Zelle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your balance with Zelle, start by opening your banking app. Locate the Zelle option within the apps menu. If you're not already enrolled in Zelle, follow the prompts to sign up. You'll need to enter your email address or mobile number linked to your Zelle account. After signing up, select the option to send money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Make sure it's the correct information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Optionally, you can add a note to describe the payment. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Select the option to confirm the transfer. You may need to verify your identity through a passcode or biometric authentication. Once verified, your transfer will be processed. You'll receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. The recipient will typically get the funds within minutes. If you have any issues, consult your bank's customer support for assistance. Enjoy the convenience of transferring money with Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.